Most people come to YouTube looking for answers, but leave more confused than when they started. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in the North Dallas suburbs, you're probably asking the same things that we hear every day.
Who can I trust? Where do I even start? And how do I make the right decisions without pressure?
We are Kris and Karis Jones with Heart Home Realtors.
And our job is not to rush you into a move. Our job is to help you make decisions that you can feel good about years from now.
On this channel, we focus on what actually matters, not hype, not fear, not clickbait. You will find clear explanations of the process, honest conversations about trade-offs, and real insight into the North Dallas suburbs and lifestyles.
Sometimes you'll see Kris breaking down the education and market context.
Sometimes you'll see Karis walking through homes and showing what clients experience on the ground.
And often you'll see us together working as a team.
Everything here is designed to answer the questions most people are afraid to ask and to make this whole process feel more manageable. If you want calm guidance, local insights, and real conversations that put people first, subscribe to this channel. And when you're ready, give us a call or send us a text.